Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about a few piano basics that you need to know as a piano enthusiast. This is just but a quick introduction of how things work on a piano. The first thing that we are going to learn today is knowing the keybed or the clavier, that is the arrangement of the piano. The keyboard or the keybed, or however you may like to call it, consists of 12 keys. These 12 keys are divided into two. There are 7 that are white and 5 that are black. And all these notes are named after the first 7 notes of the alphabet, that is A to G. But in the arrangement of the keyboard, especially the small portable keyboard, the first key is the key C. So understanding it is easier. Why are they 7? The reason why they are 7 is because the white notes are considered as natural tones. The notes from C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. They are all considered as natural keys. The black keys, however, they share the names associated with the white notes. This is called enharmonic change. They are either named with the white note to the left or the white note to its right. For example, for the note C sharp or D flat, it is either named after the note C or the note D. That is called an enharmonic change. It is a note with 2 names but the same sound. The black notes are all 5. They are just 5. So 7 plus 5 makes up 12 keys. The reason why there are many keys, there seem to be so many on the keyboard, they are arranged into pitches. Pitch is how high or low a tone is in frequency in its sounding. For example, the notes to the very left of the keyboard sound deep and low, whereas the notes to the further right of the keyboard are sharp and thin. So these keys are arranged into groups of pitches from the low to the highest achievable pitch. In other words, we call them octaves. You'll find that term very common on the keyboard. Now, let us go into another subject, understanding the music scales. The scale is a platform upon which music is written, where chord families are derived and music is written upon those chords. The most common of all scales in music is the major scale. The best way to understand the music scale is the all-known common music ladder. The do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. I may not be sounding very musical, but you get the concept. The best way to understand this, we shall take up the C major scale. It is the easiest music scale, major scale to understand. Taking C as our root note, the following note is D. The third note is E. The fourth is F. The fifth is G. The sixth is A. And the seventh is B. To complete that scale, we take up the 8th note, which is C again on the keyboard. And that's why you find them arranged from C to C, C to C, C to C in groups of 12. Because from C to B, all those notes are 12. Now, for you to understand better, or to make it easier for you to understand the major scale, I have prepared this table. It is just a simple chart showing all the 12 major scales, the fingering or the music ladder for all the 12 keys on the keyboard. You'll see how they relate to each other, because a scale is just a family of keys that blend together to make music. So for instance, if we take up C sharp to be our root note, the following note will be E flat, or rather D sharp. The following note from that will be F. The following note from that will be F sharp. The other note from that is A flat, B flat, C, and then we come again to C sharp. So that is the best way you can understand the music scale. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to play the music scales, and I'll go in depth understanding how these things work, why some of these notes are called sharp and why some are called flat and what they mean. So if you like this video, consider subscribing and be on the lookout for my next video, which will go into more detail about understanding how the piano works. Adios.